Here's how you solve the combination lock problem. The first line says one digit is right and in its place. So either the 6 is right and in its place, or the 8, or the 2. But looking at the second line, which has a 6 in the same place, it says that one digit is right, but in the wrong place. So I know the 6 isn't correct, because those two lines would counter each other. Back to the first line, I know either 8 is in the middle or 2 is on the right. Back to the second line, I know that either 1 or 4 are correct, but they could be anywhere. On the third line, it says 2 digits are right, but both are in the wrong place. Maybe the 2 is correct, but belongs in the middle or the right. Maybe the 0 is correct, but belongs in the left or the right. Maybe the 6 is correct, but belongs in the left or the middle. On the fourth line, it says all digits are wrong. That means there's no 7, 3, or 8 in the combination. So, back to the first line, I now know that 8 is not in the combination. Since I formerly learned 6 is not in the combination, I conclude that 2 is correct and on the right. Back to the second line, I know that 1 can't be in the middle, because whichever number is shown here is in the wrong place. Maybe there's a 1 on the left, but not the middle or the right. Maybe there's a 4 on the left or in the middle, but not the right. Back to the third line, I know the 2 is correct and belongs in the right, and there's either a 0 or a 6 somewhere. Maybe there's a 0 on the left, but not the middle or the right. Maybe there's a 6 on the left or in the middle, but not the right. Now to the fifth line. It says one of these digits is correct, but in the wrong place. We know there is no 3 or 8, because line 4 says there's no 3 or 8. So the correct number must be 0, but it can't be on the right. Line 3 says the 0 isn't in the middle either. So 0 must be on the left, which leaves the middle slot open. And line 2 says there's either a 1 or a 4, but it's in the wrong place. Since we're looking for the middle digit, it can't be the 1, which is in the middle. It must be the 4, which belongs in the middle. So our answers are 2 on the right, 0 on the left, and 4 in the middle. 0, 4,